Fleadh, Niall. Now, tell us a bit about the pike. It's very special here in Lough Garman.
Yeah, the pike, it's both an emblem and this is a replica of a pike that would have been used in 1798. Now this one is timber, a head big and a smaller. Original pike would have been an 8-foot shaft, a 2-foot blade, and it was used as a weapon. Seamus Heaney, in his poem Requiem to the Croppies, he says that the rebels on Vinegar Hill were waving scythes at cannon. So this is all the rebels had. And they fought and they died in their thousands. Most of them didn't get proper burials. So we commemorate those people and we remember them through piking, as we call it. We march. We've been on Vinegar Hill this year. We were in New Ross. We're going to Kerry Graveyard. And in September, we'll go on the ferry across to Waterford and we'll march to the grave of the Croppy Boy.
And when you march, you're going to sing, and you're going to give us a blast now of one of the songs that you like to sing.
Well, the anthem for County Wexford is Bull of Ogue. It was written about 100 years ago by a man called P.J. McCall. And again, for us, we don't really sing it as a song. It's our anthem. It means a lot to us. And also it's a memory of the men, women and children who died in 1798. At Bull of Ogue, as the sun was setting o'er the bright May meadows of Shalmalir, a rebel hand set the heather blazing and brought the neighbours from far and near.
Niall Wall le Bull of Ogue, Leanna Madeira Nish Martapi.